A warm welcome to this short session. My name is Emil and I will be your guide. We're going to practice 5 minutes of deep diaphragmatic breathing in a technique called double inhale, sigh relief. And this technique has shown great result when it comes to de-stress and getting to a relaxed state quickly. So not only do we relax our bodies, but we relax our minds as well. So it's a practice to achieve that. And we're going to breathe twice in and one long breath out. So it goes something like this. We breathe in through the nose into the belly, expanding the belly in all directions, even to the back. And when the belly is full, we add another sip of air on top of that, filling up the entire lung. And then we just allow the exhale to fall out through the mouth. So inhale deep into the belly first, adding another sip of air on top of that, filling the entire chest, and then just simply relaxing the out breath out. And as I said, we're going to practice 5 minutes of this breathing, which has shown to give results for 24 hours. So 5 minutes is enough to get results. So sit up straight or lie down for this practice. If you want, you can place one hand on your belly and the other one on your chest just to feel what is actually happening. So sit in a proud position or lie down comfortably. Relax the belly, relax the shoulders and the face. And we breathe in through the nose into the belly first, filling that whole area up and then adding a sip on top of that. And then simply allowing the breath to fall out. And then getting into your own tempo here. Keeping this breath going for a few minutes. By relaxing, we allow the breath to expand with each inhale. So there's no force or big effort involved in this practice. We simply allow the flow. Breathing in through the nose, expanding the whole lower region of your torso. Then adding another sip on top of that, completely inflating the lungs. And then exhaling with a sigh of relief all the way out, just releasing it out. If you want, you can also add a sound on your voice as you exhale to really emphasize the sense of release. Just breathing like this, coming to a more relaxed state. Ever so slowly. So it's a quite active inhalation and a very passive but full exhalation. We want to breathe deep into our core, our gut feeling, our intuition. And then expand our entire chest on the next inhale. And simply letting the out breath go. Wonderful work. Just breathe. We're halfway there. Feeling the expansion with each inhale and the sense of release, contraction on the exhale. Ebb and flow, the cycle of life. With each exhale, we empty, we create that space for the next inhalation. Just expanding with each inhalation now for the last minute and a half. Really connecting with that deep breath, using the big breathing muscles, the diaphragm and the abdomen, and the intercostal muscles that sits in between our ribs, helping the rib cage to expand on the inhalation. So really connecting with these big, strong muscles. We have less than 1 minute to go now. Inhaling deep into the belly, expanding the chest, and falling out on the exhale. The last couple of breaths here, 10 seconds to go. And now softly letting go of this controlled breath, simply sitting, allowing the body to breathe just how it wants. Perhaps keeping one hand or two hands on your heart region. And thanking yourself in your own way for showing up, for doing this short practice. Thank you for breathing with me. Have a wonderful day.